Emily, and I went to Riverside High School. For me, high school was just something I had to do, something I had to conquer and get over. And it definitely led me to feeling like there weren't a lot of options for me, which just isn't true. Whatever you like, you can find a way to and get into. And that's why I came to trade school. I ended up with NCST because I just loved the people I met with. My interviews, my tours, it was awesome. And then the lab we're in now, this is what really sold me. I saw everything in here and I was overwhelmed with it. I loved it. It was great. Not only were my classmates amazing, my teachers are so much more helpful. Everybody is very hands-on and they want you to succeed. They want you to do good. They make learning fun. They bring a new joy back into learning. I wanted a skill. I wanted a skill that can be used all of the time, that is always important, that is always needed. It's definitely job security. There's always a job to be done. So yeah, I would recommend NCST to anyone who's looking to get into a trade.